Hi guys, this is Toxic Mate 101 here, and this is gonna be a little lab tour because I recently got some new glassware, and from getting that I decided to redo the entire lab to make it neater. Since this is like an old windy house, bugs are getting in, dust is always like everywhere. So what I did, I painted my table white, and I put a board here that's also painted white underneath. This is just to like display the glassware if I'm doing an experiment, but I'm not sure how long that's going to be, because if I'm doing an experiment over here, a splash could just and then contaminate all of this, and then I'll have to clean it. And so yeah, so this is the side table. This I can use for just storing stuff in general or electrochemistry. It's just a nice area to work with. I got a PC power supply here. I put two clippers for the 12 volt 16 amp line, since that's the one I've been using the most. But there's also 5 volt 32 amps, but I'm not sure if that thing, 32 amps is a lot. Okay, and this is a ball maul. It's not really working because I don't use it that often. I need proper, I think I should just go with marbles. That would probably work. It's also an easy source. I have a little tank of acetylene there. I have no fittings for that, but it does seem pretty full. And this is the glassware. So I recently got a distillation set, which is like insane. I can finally do some distillation experiments, make some concentrated nitric acid. You see, I got the round bottom flask, a little adapter, which I'm surprised I even got because I never ordered this. The still head thermometer adapter. I actually had to get one plastic K clip because that was 65 rand, which is stupid because if you American, it's more like $6 for one. So yeah, so I know another source that sells them for like 50 cents. So I got ripped off there. Here's the Liebig condenser column. It's a lot smaller than I imagined this all to be, but I guess videos kind of make it bigger. But the problem is here, take the keg off, is that the points here for the hoses do not have like those bubbles on it to make it like properly sealed, which is like rather stupid. And also the stuff isn't really doesn't say borosilicate glass. So I'm just really hoping it is. I'm assuming that it is because all laboratory equipment should be borosilicate. I got the vacuum adapter, which is really cool because it has this point. Oops, sorry, this point sticking out here. I didn't really see these on videos, but I didn't know that was a thing. And as you can see, also for the hose, it's also just normal. And this is when it gets annoying because how can someone even mess this up? This is a pressure equalizing funnel, and they did not put a stopcock there. I mean, it's so difficult to mess up something that's like universally always has a stopcock. I mean, this thing is like so useless without it. It's like practically a funnel. Like all it is actually just this. It's just a little adapter piece. That's all it is. There's no function for it. It's useless. So I'm sending that back and getting a proper one. I've already phoned them and dealt with that. And this is a cool thing. I've made the ring stand already all today. And this is my separatory funnel. The right way would be like this. Yeah. And I got a little glass stopper for it. This is also 55 rand for one of these. This would make sense, but I mean not the plastic K clip. And yeah, I'm excited to use this thing. This thing is just so useful. It's so useful. I have so many uses for this. And yeah, so now this is a 1 liter 2-neck round bottom flask, boiling flask. This thing is awesome. Now the idea is to have the pressure equalizing funnel in there like that, and then connected it up with the rest of the apparatus, and to distill bromine, or even the concentrated nitric acid, where I can drip the sulfuric acid into the potassium nitrate. But I think I'm just going to mix it up separately. And see, I would have this filled with sulfuric acid and this filled with sodium bromide. and then I can synthesize bromine. But I'm hoping tomorrow I'll get the bloody stopcock. And yeah, this is the rest of the lab equipment. See the Bunsen burner. It's kind of annoying because they only really chrome this. As you can see at the top here, it's kind of like a copper showing, which is a part of the chroming process. You see now that's what it's supposed to have on here. And so yeah, that's slowly getting teared away. I actually do have titanium. I have actually a lot. Yeah, show you. Yeah. This whole spring is titanium. I know, it's awesome. Dad actually got it for free from just trading some stainless. It's really cool. It's a massive spring. It's like a bloody condenser coil. I have so many uses for this, but I just need to put it to use. But I also just have like normal titanium. I think I'm not sure what grade that titanium is, but I'm assuming it's grade 2 to 3. Yeah, where's it now? Oh, it's in here, I think. No, I can't find it now. No, I just had like a little bag of a salt chlorinator, which has titanium on it, and I tried dissolving titanium. I haven't posted the video, but I'm thinking of, I have some other tries for that, because what I did was, I boiled the hydrochloric acid with the titanium bolt in it, and damn, that took forever. It didn't even dissolve half of it. I reckon it dissolved like less than a gram. But it colored the solution nice and purple. But what I'm gonna do is, I'm actually gonna use this this condenser coil like this, and then heat it so I can reflux it. It's not the appropriate one for refluxing, but it would do. And then I can continuously boil it. But I also have another plan for that. I do have this other stainless steel pressure thing. I can just boil it and close everything off and make high pressure, which it will dissolve faster. And yeah, this is my lab. There's the safety mask there. I've moved this light from here, and it lights up really well. And I put this foam light on the roof, because the roof was also, like, as you can see, it's not really nice. And I just painted everything white. This has a like aluminum strip on it, you can see here. And so, like, I'm not gonna catch it on fire, hopefully. And yeah, this is like the lab coat, and behind it is like the savior, the gas mask. That thing's awesome. And yeah, that's actually my lab. I do have holes in my gloves now, so I need to get new of those. And yeah, so there's the gas bottle, there's the chemical shelf, and I got another cupboard down here. By the way, there's the fire extinguisher. And yeah, I got some like a few things down here. Sorry, it's pretty dark. Yeah, I just have a bunch of metals. There's lead there. I recently took lead out of a battery. Don't ever do it, just sell it to a scrapyard. It's a messy business. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I got some awesome videos coming ahead, especially with this distillation set. I mean, I already got the potassium nitrate. I think I got 120 odd grams. And sulfuric acid, I'm endless. I have like one of those 5-litre cans. I've filled to the, well, not now full to the top, but probably around 3/4 of the way full of 98% sulfuric acid, plus this drain cleaner. But that stuff's dirty. It has all carbon into it. I can clean it with hydrogen peroxide, but that will make the concentration less, because hydrogen peroxide is only really 50%. Well, mine is, so it will dilute it. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I know that's the second time saying it, and see you around.